a very happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Apurva.
Everything I want might be a miracle.
Welcome or welcome back to YouTube channel. So today is not my birthday. I couldn't shoot any of these things on my birthday, so here I am. Okay. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 lessons that I have learned in my 20s, and I really want to share it with you all. And I've also written it on a paper because मैं भूल जाती हूँ बीच बीच में, मतलब टॉपिक कुछ और चल रहा होता है और मैं कहीं और की बात करना स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ. So the first life lesson is that I have learned through my experiences is life is very unpredictable. Oh my god, ऐसा क्या बोल दिया, ये तो हम हर जगह पढ़ते हैं. आई नो हम हर जगह पढ़ते हैं और हर जगह से सुनते भी हैं, बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा अलग रहा है. आफ्टर 12th आई लॉस्ट वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड टू डेथ एंड आई वॉज वेरी क्लोज टू हर. उसके बाद आई लॉस्ट माई फादर टू डेथ एंड आफ्टर 1 year आई लॉस्ट माई रियल ब्रदर टू डेथ एंड देन उसके बाद आई लॉस्ट माई ग्रैंड मदर टू डेथ. सो द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रीफ जो पूरा मैंने फील किया है, गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द इमोशंस वन आफ्टर अदर, it was really hard for me. So I lost everyone within a span of few years, and it is not a story. These are the people I had talked to, I had touched, I have lived with them, I've been with them, I have been dependent on them, and I have lost them. Like, I'm on a video call with my brother, and after one day he's no more. So I'm not going to talk about this a lot because I don't want to get emotional in my video. So this is the first life lesson, that life is really unpredictable. You should go and tell your family that you love them. Now it's just me and my mom and my family, and I call them every single day. This happened in my lab. You know how these people are treating me. You know, they feel happy when you share every single thing with them. I have realized the importance of family. I've realized the importance of my mother, of my father, of my brother, that हम कितना privileged थे जब हम घर पे थे. So yeah, this is the one life lesson that I have learned, and I just want to tell you guys that just please go and tell your parents, your mother and father, that how much you love them. Just go and tell them right now. Second life lesson is very important, is that stop giving second chances to people who hurt you, who cheated on you, who disrespected you, who made fun of your insecurities in front of people. So let me tell you, let me break this down. Actually, you can change your habits, but you cannot change your basic personality. Like, I'm 27 years old, and अभी मेरा जो basic personality है वो ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड हो चुका है. अनटिल एंड अनलेस समथिंग रियली बैड हैपन, जिसमें मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा रियलाइजेशन हो कि मुझे अपने आप को चेंज करना है, उसके अलावा नहीं मैं चेंज कर सकती. आई हैव सम बेसिक पर्सनैलिटी. सो इफ़ समवन्स बेसिक पर्सनैलिटी इज़ टू चीट ऑन यू एंड टू ट्रीट you in a bad way or to take you for granted, they are going to repeat it again and again, even if you give them second, third, fourth chances. For once, if you trust someone and they cheat on you and they betray you in some ways, that is not on you. But if the second time you are allowing them to enter into your life again, and you are choosing this for yourself, and you cannot blame anyone except you. So this is the second life lesson that I have realized, that never give second chances to these people. And I'm telling you from my own experience, because as I have told you that there is some kind of basic personality. So this is my basic personality, that I give chances to people again and again, even if I know that they have hurt me in the past. I know that this person cheated on me, and still I give them one more chance. It's okay, maybe they have changed, but again I am disappointed in myself. Comes the third lesson, that is learn to differentiate between people. As I've come here, I am in the first year of my PhD. I have to talk to a lot of people, have to ask a lot of things to people, even if I don't like talking to them. So there is the kind of a professional bond that I have to still maintain, even though I don't like them as a person. There are certain people in your life who really supports you, who are there for you always, and who are genuinely happy when you succeed, when you move forward in your life. And then there are certain kind of people who are not happy when you succeed. They want you to fall, they don't want you to move forward in your life, and they will be sweet to your face, but you get the vibe from them. I have been with these two kinds of people here in the lab, and I have realized that not everyone deserves the same attention from me. Not a person who is supporting me, a person who is helping me, and who is genuinely wants me to do great in my life, to do great in my career, I will respond it back. I'll support the person too, I'll help the person too. And if someone who is just not so happy with me moving forward, making fun of me behind my back, talking about my character and all these things, but still I have to maintain a professional bond with them, but I will have boundaries with these people. If you're someone in your 20s, I just want you to differentiate between these people and have boundaries. So there is this phrase जो हम बोल रहे थे ना, tit for tat, वो एक्चुअली फॉलो करो. टिट फॉर टैट मीन्स जो आपको अच्छा दे रहा है आप उसको अच्छा दो, जो आपको बुरा दे रहा है आप उसको मतलब बुरा तो मत दो, बट एक बाउंड्री आप बना लो कि हाँ, आई नो दिस person and I have to talk about only few things. I have to maintain a professional bond, that's it. We're not friends, we are never going to be friends, but due to some professional things we have to talk, and that is fine. Let's get back to the fourth lesson. भूल जा रही हूँ मैं. This is the fourth life lesson that I'm going to share, is to have a beautiful relationship with God. Trust me, all these things happened in my life. I lost half of my family in just a span of 2 years, and I never blamed it on God. Whatever is happening, we have to handle it. We have to be responsible for it. You know, in 2022 and 23, while I was doing my post-graduation, I couldn't go alone anywhere. I had to ask everyone to just come with me. I don't know how to enter inside the metro and how to check those metro, where I have to go, which line I have to go. I have always been confused, and look at me now. I am living in a completely new city. I don't even know their language here, but I'm staying, I'm doing my work, I'm earning, and I'm managing my own expenses. All of the things I am doing, and I'm really proud of myself for it. And I cannot thank God for every single experience that I have had in my life, because whatever I am today, I'll not be the kind of a person I am if I did not have all those experiences. Even if you don't trust God, but just you know that there is some kind of energy exist in the universe that is watching you, and you need to be true from here. That's it. Right, left. So you need to be true from here. That is all matters. That is all जो matter करता है. This faith in God have really helped me to love myself even more. Once you start having the faith in the universe, the faith in God, you will start realizing that you started loving yourself more. And it's very beautiful. I can't describe it in words or anything. Sit with yourself sometime, talk to God like you're talking to a friend. Oh, this happened and this and everything, and it feels so good and so relaxed. I'm really looking very cute in this dress. However, this dress is a little bit tight. Last but not the least, जो मैं भूल गई थी, मेरे को अभी याद आया, is कि हर किसी को पता होता है कि वो आपके साथ क्या कर रहा है. तो ये अपने माइंड से आप मत सोचा करो. मैं अपने आप को भी बोल रही हूँ, तू भी मत सोचा कर कि कोई आपके साथ बुरा करते हैं. तो हम लोग मोस्टली अगर कोई रिलेट कर पा रहा होगा तो हमको लगता है कि मे बी यार वो लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे होंगे, कि मे बी ऐसा हो रहा होगा, मे बी दे आर गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग. वी ऑल्सो सफ़र, हम भी गो थ्रू करते हैं, हम भी चीज़ों से सफ़र करते हैं, बट वी नेवर ट्रीट समवन in this way. So if someone is doing this with you and you are thinking कि नहीं कुछ उनका प्रॉब्लम होगा, then mark my words कि सबको पता होता है कि वो आपके साथ क्या कर रहे हैं. In your 20s you know कि what you are doing. अगर आप किसी के साथ गलत कर रहे हो तो आपको पता है कि आप गलत कर रहे हो. बच्चे तो नहीं हो ना, आप in 20s में हो. So do not fall for this trap कि oh my god they are struggling, oh my god they are struggling. So that is it for 5 lessons. इतनी busy हो चुकी हूँ यार VHT में. Very happy for this.